Welcome to Modern PAM video. Akeyless delivers just-in-time zero-trust access for IT and DevOps teams, securing humans, machines, and AI agents. The platform provides secretless privileged access, full session recording, and regulatory compliance without the need for VPNs or static credentials. Akeyless unifies PAM across all environments, simplifying operations, reducing risk, and strengthening zero trust. Enterprises are facing increasing challenges managing privileged access in hybrid, multi-cloud, and automated environments. They need just-in-time zero-trust access to eliminate standing privileges and reduce exposure from static credentials that attackers often exploit. Security and DevOps teams require privileged access for IT and DevOps, enabling engineers and administrators to connect securely without adding friction or manual workflows. Organizations struggle to maintain control over secrets, driving the need for secretless user and machine access, where credentials are issued dynamically and never stored. They also face risks from vendors and contractors, making third-party privileged access a critical requirement for temporary auditable connectivity without VPNs. To meet governance mandates, companies must implement logging and recording to capture every privileged session for full audit visibility. Finally, growing compliance demands highlight the need for regulatory compliance, ensuring access controls and activity records align with zero trust and data protection standards. Modern PAM begins with secure access control for humans, machines, and AI agents, ensuring every privileged session is verified and policy-bound. It allows teams to monitor vendors, developers, DevOps, and AI agents, giving full visibility into who accessed what, when, and for how long. Akeyless delivers secretless, zero-trust access, removing static passwords and embedding identity-based authentication across every environment. Through just-in-time access enforcing zero-standing privileges, Akeyless grants temporary credentials only when required and automatically revokes them once the session ends. Role-based access with zero-trust principles ensures users and systems have the least privilege necessary, aligned with organizational policies. With dynamic secrets and ephemeral credentials, credentials are created on demand and expire instantly after use, minimizing exposure risk. Finally, seamless SSO integration connects directly with enterprise identity providers, allowing simple yet secure authentication for all privileged users and workloads. Akeyless Modern PAM delivers unified management across environments, giving security teams one control plane for every workload. The platform can automatically enroll new servers, databases, and Kubernetes clusters across AWS, Azure, and GCP soon, extending coverage without manual effort. Users connect through the web portal, CLI, desktop app, or browser add-on, ensuring a consistent experience for admins, developers, and AI agents alike. Finally, Akeyless provides comprehensive session management, recording, and auditing, enabling full visibility of every privileged action and simplifying compliance reporting. These capabilities together create a single, scalable solution for secure, auditable access in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Akeyless Modern PAM supports a wide range of use cases across today's hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Here are some of the most common examples where enterprises gain immediate value. First, ephemeral access, where credentials are short-lived and policy-bound. Secrets are created only when needed and expire instantly after use, reducing exposure and enforcing least privilege by design. Next, secure remote and third-party access, enabling temporary, audited connectivity for administrators, vendors, and contractors, all without VPNs or external bastions. Zero-standing privileges, or ZSP, ensures that privileged access is granted only when required and revoked automatically when a session ends, eliminating unnecessary persistent permissions. Privileged access for DevOps and automation securely injects dynamic secrets into CI/CD workflows, replacing hard-coded credentials and simplifying compliance. Akeyless also helps unify access to hybrid and multi-cloud infrastructure, providing centralized policy, visibility, and identity governance across every environment. And finally, session recording, monitoring, and compliance auditing give teams real-time insight into every privileged action for audit, forensics, and regulatory assurance. Why Akeyless Modern PAM stands apart, and why we do it better. Akeyless delivers a new standard for modern privileged access through a unified identity security platform, combining secrets management, PAM, certificates, and KMS in one zero-knowledge SaaS solution with a single UI and API. At its core is a zero-knowledge vaultless architecture, powered by patented distributed fragments cryptography, which ensures that no one, not even Akeyless, can access customer keys or credentials. With ephemeral, just-in-time access, Akeyless eliminates standing privileges entirely, issuing dynamic, short-lived credentials for humans, machines, and even AI agents. Instant SaaS deployment means there's no infrastructure, clusters, or agents to maintain, allowing enterprises to deploy globally in days, not months. The platform is built for hybrid and multi-cloud, automatically onboarding servers, databases, Kubernetes clusters, and cloud IAMs with seamless policy-based control. It's also DevOps and automation ready, designed API first to integrate directly with CI/CD pipelines, Terraform, and Kubernetes for true access as code workflows. Finally, Akeyless delivers lower TCO and higher agility, cutting cost and complexity by up to 70% compared to fragmented, legacy PAM solutions. Wix is a leading platform for creating and managing a digital presence, supporting millions of users worldwide. The problem: as Wix grew, legacy security tools couldn't meet the company's scale or zero trust goals, creating both complexity and credential risk. They faced clear challenges: legacy tools limitations. Existing solutions couldn't support Wix's advanced use cases. Complex onboarding. Adding new users and resources was slow and cumbersome. Static passwords risk. Internal users relied on personal passwords that were hard to rotate securely. The solution, Akeyless, became Wix's zero trust foundation, simplifying security operations and enabling a true identity-based approach. Key improvements included: zero trust foundation, validating every user and action to ensure least privilege access; just-in-time access, granting temporary credentials only when needed, eliminating personal passwords; unified secrets management, centralizing protection for both human and programmatic access under one platform. With Akeyless, Wix transformed from trusted networks to a modern zero-trust model, securing more users, more resources, and maintaining the highest level of security across the organization. Thank you for watching this video.